so aba abetinase ene team no ya settle ya say ya di wu tu fa firi sabre ekosi se nonkono ebebo pepepe eni ti bomode anaji adwa na ene ye ntina Anopai eye fully packed and your newspaper headlines beba ye beko ehoma so ne ne empanimfo akotwetwe nkomo na wonom edi nkranhye sem ene anyidi sem edi ama ye ne yetiefo ye firi ho nso so street vibe beba na ye wi akese pa no eno nso so ye de ato aso the people's parliament na ye wi a won nso so wafa futisem ene kasakire enso afiri mu na ye jamu edi ama ye tiefo na wonom so aka wo bo so asem ne eha wo mo ewo oman Ghana mu ni nyina nkamfo ano ene ye se eye max morning dew niama wei eka ho ena ne ye de ebrani ntiji adwai na bomodin a na tie ye na enche an ye ne eye pani ba ko ebedi nkomo na afei wode na futusem ene na no disem ama yen na ye wi a afei yate eye ensem ni nyina no na yakoye newspaper headline so Irene de Kwao ene akosua green yen so ye de bebro ene nti bomodin a na ji adwa
Max FM 89.7. Yes, so feed your man. You trauma man. You can't tell a good so sad. Give me your dawa brabo. So
team no aye settle na kire se ene na no pay ha eniema ebekoso wo fi ha papa de wo pese wote efa wo my Ghana mu ene aman atwa ye ho ahia nyina no ye de bebro newspaper headlines sa enso na autotip wo mu ye ne SK manu ebedi nkomo billboard nso so etuatua sa nso na occasions enso ewom eye fully packed eni ti enko ba bia ene ye ntena mamenchia Irene de Kwao Mrs. Kumi na afe ye ni nkomo ansana yako ya homa ne so Mrs. Kumi
Grino.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho bibi aboko dia.
Na me adome ho ye pa.
Yeah.
I slept on the right side of the bed today.
So
I woke up all excited, all happy, all joyous, all like just me hu dia menka.
All bi ni nyina bi.
Aye.
Okay. Na ukunu Mr. Kumi anopa ye gidi se ono so ne ho ye.
Oh, ni hu ye. We are living in good health.
Okay.
Once ye just say I don't know how best.
No question.
Baby, many times people jealous us, but we are okay. Yeah, nipa de we dey yan nipa be time with some way be. Produce a cry time
eh wa wasemwa. Okay, yen chahwefo enne anopai na afi yenko yanim.
Oh, actually, for the Rebecca Chomu say, don't want to be brain and a very good morning to them all.
We are listeners at year 4.
Listeners, yes. That I bring like I always say, they get time. And you'll be an Obenya who just say you, but day in day out, Amunyamre Ebekaya Hona. Whenever we open the phone lines, and then testify to the fact that Amukaya because the rate at which they call, they share their thoughts, their opinions, and they discuss some of our topics with us. No, just say it's amazing. We love them so much, and all we can say to them is they should keep on tuning in on 89.7 Max FM every day. They shouldn't forget that going to the end of the year, which say we have a lot of packages for them.
Fully packed.
Fully packed. So they should stay tuned.
Abusia Irene the Kwao, aka Mrs. Kumi, and the same day at Tujanu Gusu would see mass morning dew. Mass FM, so yes, I see no ya. Yes, any antinamwa, enquisition on Kuno, Ebo Pepe, Penaya Service enough sports park, you may dear so your day at Wazo. Pastor Frank Amwa. Ewo ahomano esu. Okay, Reverend Sarah Danso. Reverend Sarah Danso. Ene yenya no ewo ahomano so a wode eye enkranhyesem afutusem ene asedasem ebre yen amayatia no ansana ye ne atiefo adi nkomo afa ye newspaper headline so ene nti yenko ya ahomano so se pastor ewo ahomano so a. Hello Reverend. Reverend Radio anope ye bema wache ama wakwa aba Max FM Mass Morning Dew so.
That's papa. Mini aba me that's pa anope edenchia kese e magana fo nyina ene eye Max FM atiefo nyina ya jiri se radio adomobia ho eye
Nokwasem
radio aye adom ama anope ye tiase nko ade medofo enko eye enko ho hia pa akwanya kesi enyan enye nipa nyina na nyae ntise nde woti ye ne awo eye fidikesi so a na eye radio adom ye fa sida me radio na no pain asem tie wa me de ma atifo nyina ne Ghana fo nyina believe in yourself and your abilities.
Amen.
Me do for jodi ena ya wada obi asore wanya akwanya kese adwuma bi mu wanya akwanya kese e wo bribi mu obu ne ho abonfie na ne de me den na maye me do for jodi se obetumi aye bribi ene ma kase a ewade bi prema nipa bi eye no sabe won so what is say nipa no a ena adwuma bi ile wakopie mu a jodi se sa akwanya we metumi aye ye woni pa bebre wo ha me ne aba ye bu ye ho abonfia o twa na ni hwe na busia mu a na me de busia mu de obi antu kwan de o me de busia mu de obi anko university da o me de ma ye den no aka ne ho ahye anopa ye me do fo a wo tie me awa fidikase so jonhu bi se wo betumi aye jonhu bi se me metumi aye me ni aba woni bibi me ameka say journalism school mi ko bi da o now so oba baby am wo yi a erade adoma your opportunity kitwa bi na me nyaye na me da me ho di krom ha say ye ta MC sa one mo ye very good at me jimi ho di say erade adoma kan ho bi baby am sa nipa etimi ever reach out on me a na won erade adoma kakra bi a wo mu bia e sa wo da na di erade bo e sa wo da na di iti anopai so wo tie ma system a radio domo na ma wono pe what is saying testament onua dofo de wo mu no da na di many times sa wo so butumi aye saade e bia na obuafo awo ho saabre no me pa so what you say e bia na obuafo awo ho ade kakra bia obeda na bi no wo be sia obuafo yesu so kai ya ho enhye me dofo awade asura ye de na so one kasa wama yentumi na awade ama yentumi ne se ye fanye bribi sa tumi no wakase anopa yi mi adofo ye no nkasa nche ma sesa so di anopa bia ye ti ensampa sei se woti sa sampa ya anopa yi adofo so mutwe na pie free wudam wona ne ye wo mu no koda na di wa bonten na wadwuma mu ho ne ye wo mu no da na pi wawari mu da na di many times na hu sa wo na awade na mo so aye saade ne wabusie no mu awa fie ho awa ware ne mu susu ka ho ehye me do for utie me no pay believe in yourself you would say so ni pa nyina ntumi aya wo de wo betumi aye anope hinta sama wate awa fidie kase so awade enhia obi biara stay positive stay focused ama de bia enchicha wa na mu say oh me de na busie mu de obi anko school bi nti na me de be pre me ho say debi obi anko obi anya wo de wo betumi aye anopai si wadwe pese so obi antumi anya You bet me, I
Betumi
have this
ayɛ.
year, no, I'll come in my home.
Nhyira wo
No,
nso.
yeah, but say, let the other more for them. Now, boy, for the so moon, why is that?
Na ɔbɔ
Yami
afɔ
say,
bɛsɛ
na
wo.
rather some person on the tell me, get a mass papa.
Reverend yɛn nso yɛda wase bebree paa sɛ wode afutusɛm ɛne nkranhyɛsɛm de ama yɛn ɛnnɛ dadua yi awurade ɛnhyira wo yie papaapa Reverend.
Amen. It's with us, family nearby. And I didn't shop with a mass papa.
Amen. Reverend Danso Sarah ɛna yɛne no atwitwe nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ ahoma no so no anɔpa yi Reverend abie kwan no mu de ama yɛn akyerɛ sɛ emu ate yie papaapa yɛne atiefoɔ ɛba bɛtwitwe nkɔmmɔ firi saa berɛ yi a ɛkɔsi sɛ nɔnkono ɛbɔbɔ pɛpɛɛpɛ na deɛ ɛdi soɔ ɛyɛ ye newspaper headlines no enkɔ baabi ade opesa wote ɛwɔ wɔ man mu wɔ man Ghana mu abibre mu man atwa ye ho ahyia ene amano ne nyinaa ne yɛtwa ye ho ba Irene the Cow ene me beautiful green o ye de bebrew ama won so so wate bi awurade hyiraw sɛ wo kɔso a ene ya tena fi sabre ya ekosi sɛ nonkono ɛbɛbɔ pɛpɛɛpɛ ye twa ye ho abasisia
Thursday morning. Abusua yebesan so ama wakwa aba Max FM 89.7 Max morning do dwumadie no a na wasongu so a wutie no ye de brawo efri dwoada ekosi fiada no nsia ekosi nonkono pepepe na sabre ye de newspaper headlines no eba abesomo eniti enko ba bia agebre na wonso tie de etwaguo ene de ekoba enchifi ene atoye chese de ben yen ene de wa chirichiri nyina no bomodin na tie bi mamensan emma eye Irene the Cow aka Mrs. Kumi Akwaba odewu Mrs. Kumi
Greenall
you dey yasa baby emma tie fu Akwaba bi na fe ye newspaper headlines no ye memodin emfa ento aso ntentem so.
Okay, so a very good morning once again to our cherished listeners, as I always describe them. Today we have it in segments. So moving to the general news for the newspaper headlines today, Age 6 time to respond to Tokonu removal with Daily Guide.
Okay, when so Daily Guide for ND Abba Ukopiemu ewo Attorney General Akachia enei wode atodwa se empanimfo emma ne bre wo eye enhwehwemu a ye twere kwama no se yente ase kwane a ye fa so a ye yi former Chief Justice eye Gertrude Tokuno efiri na konwa so no eninti Attorney General atwere de akọ eye Supreme Court se Supreme Court emma ne bre na onye nhwehwemu emfa ensem ni nyina ehu.
Away from Age's story into the health fraternity. Health Minister Akando exposes e-health scandal. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphics enso ena de eye ensemi baye. Apomuden aso eye oswafo a wo hwe eye onumonyamfo Minta Akando ena eneyi wodi atudwa a wo kire se eniema bonefo sembia ekoso ewo apomuden aso eye no eneyi de eyade se wodi ni nyina aba empanimfo animu a kire se abonefo sem sikadie eni niema bia enkoso eneyi de wada ni nyina edi akire amansan.
The Office of the Special Prosecutor has invited DVLA CEO Julius Kote for questioning after he revealed that he rejected a 4 million Ghana cedis bribe meant to stop the rollout of a digital license plate policy.
When so a special prosecutor kisi ejaben na enei wodi ensem tudwa say ababe piemu se audit eye general empanimfo eye chese enwumakuo ahodo no a nano na DVLA CEO Julius Kote ekopiemu ewo mpanimfo anim a chese ye toto nano ebisa no eniema bia enkoyie ewo ono na so ye ne koba ne se ensembofo a empanimfo ebisa ne ba akumienu no antimi antna empanimfo tinimu yie enam so ama eneidie eye special prosecutor kisi ejaben afreno se wo betoto nano afa 4 million bribe ho nsem a wo ka se wanja ntumwabra empanimfo ye se wonfa engine onye special na se personalized license plate ho ensem manba mako 598 na chese ahanum aduokono enwotwe 598 katena eno etu abobo a emwi akire no enipa no nsoso no emu bi yachi wonum ewo nsawama eno wo emfimfini mantamu.
Away from the general stories to business news, Mahama, Ghana needs a stable CD for economic growth. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic is so en a day a year and semi eba. Ora John Dramani Mahama, your man penny and a nay what dear to your watch say. A coban ye city once and somewhere it say, Sidino I ye sika ye din a gina faco, said ye bear or mains on your punctu ebe to me akosu.
City hits 60th milestone. Vice President calls for safeguarding currencies integrity.
Okay, when so Jane Nana Opoku Ajiman, Vice President VIP, and a day and say me na what to ja watch they say. Ube Pierre Ghana, yen Sidi no se siano, baby aqua could a 60th, and inti Ghana, ye momodia say ye beshe, na yetimi ama currency no, and I say yen Sidi no, Ejina said ye beya, ye benya reshimu, ewe yen Sidi no.
To sports news, Black Queens forward Alice Kusi reflects on WAFCON qualification.
Sesi anso ukopiemu ewo agoprama ho ensem nso so a enegi sem ene se ade se yem Black Queens no wonom qualify a kire se enche AFCON dwumadie no ye bebo no Ghana yenso so ye ka ho bia
will take one outstanding story, and I think the story that is exceptional for me this morning is that of the health fraternity, where Honorable Minister for Health, Minta Akando, has exposed some health scandal, and this has to do with a contract awarded to Light Wave Health Information Management System. Okay. So this was intended to link public health facilities under a single digital platform. Okay, and according to the story, out of 950 targeted facilities, they've only worked on 450.
Wow.
Me case for Majiscano 70%.
Ah, yes, yeah, working 900 and something in
yeah.
No question.
Yeah. And Cecilia no just say health ministry, no, they are investigating this, and then they got this under the forensic audit. And the amount of money we are talking about here is not less than $18 million.
Wow. Yes, CD. Dollars.
Dollars. To show si kana, say, vendor here just say obebo to link the health system facilities. No?
Yeah.
So that was a your hospital. And yet those times I forgot what you booked into a true movie break, but you have the information on your machine to call records department now. Yes, share we are doctor woman with details are he can access it from where he's sitting. Into that was what they are working on. And at Sikana, they were looking at 950. And as at December 2024, no, he just worked on 450.
And to audit general na is answer me appear.
Yes.
Amaniama we nyina cause I will say do baby ya na audit tobacco say na mo pese mu increase your tariff. Audit tobacco say na mo pese mu increase your tariff. We nyina
and you know there may be some who say so for all this while where was this public accountability thing committee?
What we say me who ni say ade no hu ye hyeda bu ya nigu so. What you say? And to bu ani gu so a enya hwe
ABPO
oh yes and the baby fan
taxpayers money
obu na ni gu so nipa ni bu na ni gu so a me fa say bia say adwuma mu ha no ma ya ade a ase emfa ne ho wo nipa ba ho so na afa efiri 1 2 3 4 na akwakodu infinity enti sa suban ne sa ne ma no ye mo be position a adin say obe trust nipa koro Udi wura ni I mean it's uncalled for because obi a trust e wo mu e na odi dibre bia ma wo e na wo take that dibre for granted. Yeah de yankasa yepe.
And it's wrong.
Very, very wrong.
So let me correct this thing. So the money we are talking about here, so by December 2024, only 450 of the 950 targeted facilities had been connected, although the vendor had received about 77 million US dollars, representing over 70% of the total contract amount. A forensic audit later revealed hardware shortfalls estimated at no less than $18 million.
What?
So that's the clarification, yeah.
Wow.
The original money here, 77 million US dollars, but they had were shortfalls no and I ate na ye hu assembly su and the fem
ne say
na ye hu
assembly su and the fem ne say special prosecutor be frɛ attorney general be hwehwɛ winsem supreme court e be kɔ enko be bia yes innocent
but proving say innocent
na ye the next scapegoat wa
nkae na mo plan is on be no
sika de ne ya do so
me because ye taxpayers money ye hwɛ bra ye bre
e wo Ghana
Shut my eyes,
yes, so and I make ababa waketo a we in suku. Wo ye dwuma na wo tua task. Upe wumpo ya ketu ya fa yi. Upe wumpo ye beto.
You don't have a say.
Oh, as you can baba na.
Na ya kadeng. Na ya boabo no boko na yes. We want to establish something for the country no behind benefit na mo de say more quine for so. Anya sasika na then what are you trying to tell us?
I will some require say omu ekodu ombotom so kra na ebi nnuru fom ha na anya bi adi eno ni abrabosem
no na de ebe ento mu wie nso abrafo kese a yebeka go so
anya asem say ehun obi kan o say wo pe bibini abunu a kabrofo oh yes
not all bibinis
generally
let's say 90% but
10% they omo ye den
you be escape
majority carry the vote
it's heartbreaking. I mean, I'll be grateful. Say, president at the two His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or the two say if they should catch you
6 months,
it will be
6 months.
That should be it.
Yes.
Nothing should change.
Yeah, or simply for and yaman tan. Would near a betcho. So what the abansika? She can anyhow, Mrs. Kumi, and a debaya, men so me supporting, Mrs. Kumi, and a debaya, men so me supporting, a one naposo, and shrubber greenu, beautiful greenu, ya debremu, ye try a wamba, na ye ba, dear cabia, ye de better as DJ Holy, chinchim and fidianum, amaye, I was ya, and Quabia, Yabasisia.
Welcome to Thursday morning. Max FM 89.7.
yɛtena se a yɛde okwan so brebre okwan so dwodwo de ema na ne ye autotip no wate ho mpani nsɛm sɛ woyɛ pedestrian no woyɛ obi a wonam kwa ho ya kyerɛ sɛ ofin sɛ wonam kwa ho a kyerɛ sɛ wodia ne sɛ wonam kwa ho wobi onam kwa ho so eba no sɛ ye fa eye akwanso sem ene ho nsensem a won so wo wuro a ubeplay ewo mu ana wodi ane sɛ wonim sɛ wodi wonam kwan so kwan so no a na kyerɛ sɛ dani abre nyina wonam eni nti ne ye autotip no road safety role of pedestrian na kyerɛ sɛ wonam kwan no wasɛdeɛ a ɛsɛ sɛ wonyɛ wabra wonam kwan no so no ene sɛn abusuafo yenim sɛ yenam kwan so a asɛdeɛ bi wɔ hɔ ɛwɔ sɛ yeye eni nti ye kɔ yɛn phone ne so na ye ne ye expert SK manu ya da eba no autotip a ye ne no edidi nkomo no atwetwe enkomo sɛ oh aso wobi nam kwan so a emra bi wɔ hɔ sɛ so odi so ahyɛdeɛ bi wɔ hɔ sɛ wɔhwɛ na wɔyɛ anase wɔne deɛ ne deɛ ane sɛ wo twa kwan mu anu ane sɛ wo twa mu wɔnam kwan ho a enu ane sɛ wɔnam ho ana eni nti ebepusu ahoma no ne ye ne SK manu atwetwe enkomo na mimi sa kumi o se bra kumi e onam kwa ho o de ane so onam kwa ho ana so onim se asayi e wo se wo ye bibi
oh yeso na mantotobo ne tichiru ne se yeso na mantotobo ne tichiru ne se o ma me no papa ni bi na onam loro kwan na wasesa abo ekura wonsa
na afi wani beba ho so na sese harabasa akoto akopa obi ka hwehwe ne mero na afi wese wiemfo ba
so achi ase
akwakọ ye nsem bebre
ana me kan so sɛ yesu ane yɛse sɛ ubetwa kwan mu a obedi kan hwɛ bankum
wa hwɛ nifa
wa wie kura ubetwam no ahwɛ bankum for the last
samom na no dimirika na onante
edipende baby aka no ewo ka ne wa akira pa obetwa workers kakra
na ben wodi ne intentem da so pa
ka den atwam
okay ya no so ye dia wonim no
na yɛse ubetwam a obedi kan no ahwɛ left
right
ubetwam a na wasan ahwɛ left biom eno bedu mfimfini na ka na efi right na pia ba
obayende
hello ndo ne ka na ja
hello dear hello okay eniema yenim eno no na bibi fufuro eka ho a kyese yenim a ye ne SK manu betwetwe nkomo na odi ni nyina agu akwan mu ama ye free consultation na kyese dani abre nyina no ye ma yade free of charge enti enche ye ne SK manu betwetwe nkomo wo yen autotip no eso na kumikasa ena sabire ono so age mic no ene na kyese wo ompa kasa enso ene mama no akasa enche obeba betena se na kyese street vibe under authority for age tumu a kyese emfa kwati kwan anase emfa eye emreti akwan bi aso no ye beje ni yabo ho dawuro edi ama wona wonso wadwatonde no age entre ha ewo abefo ntenta fidie ni so ene eye enkrofo asomu yie papa ene ti ade ton bi a woton anade bi a woton a eye no fabra na ye mo ho dawuro emfa ema o mami frase ewo must buy say buy two for less na say wonom ed unbeatable bundle offers kraba edian edaso ene buy two for less bobra must buy na je wo TCL washing machine ene ne kettle wabra wotwa sika ne kakra bi edian edaso ene ne honam ese for 5,530 Ghana cedis fa kwaje wo TCL washing machine no na je ne kettle enso eka ho na we a wasave eku 300 Ghana cedis ekwoba ne se afei enaja wo bobra woni TV ewa wo dem na wo pe branded TV ya ebeche ama ona ebesan bo adwuma na obi wura wo dem obonze awura yi oye modernize abrantie chese wo ye guy eno ni nyina eye Infinix Smart TV ene ne smartwatch wobetumi ahwe TV no ewo watch no so saa nso na wobetumi connect watch no e de ama TV no ene ye wo technology a chese technology advancement pa na ne ye wo mu kwaje wo Infinix Smart TV ene ne smartwatch 3000 Ghana cedis pay grab wo Tecno Camon 40 Pro ene phone phone a free 16 regions ni nyina de must buy a showroom no bi e wo hono mu a ubowura ho a wo de wo rafi bibia wo say ope unbeatable offer and as a buy two for less promo ni bi ye be ma won na won so wahwe de wo pe visit wonum e wo www.mustbuy.com.gh eno e website no bowura website no so na kohwe wani so ade e wo hono mu afei so se wo pe enchercheremu a e ye 0544 01 9552 0544 01 9552 must buy say we a promo cry udi sika kuma bi ebeji niema bebre eba na must buy dia a quality you trust prices you love kumi na yenko yenime
yo ene na yegina must buy ho no yemfa sedama must buy na we no ye the phones for fraba your friend of Philips Essence na phone we na oni obi kasa na se nanu mu yi nkan oti wo phone no so
okwasem
ti me bi se di pan se jama no pa wontwi osi o se ai mentwi me sen we no Philip SS nsa no ti ende e bomode ya se obenya bi we no one ukunu ana ompena na wadanfo bi kasa aduane a odi utimete ne pampa itimi fa phone nim utimete no ebisan se jama gobe na odi o se ai gobe ampa unya no ba bi ya agi se must buy yen phone se dia ba Philips Essence 20 ewo ho ene yesan so ewo Philips Essence 10 ye kakra unya no ba bia agi se must buy
unya no ba bia agi se must buy
on the mo
ayo wase wonna mu ayo kumima yen free eye Philips Essence enkopiem ewo mega cash lucky box eneyi yentenase enkase mi botomunye yentenase enkase mi nisika yentenase enkase mi honye de bi yese kromba ye woda enoa ene wubotom na wubotom so be ye woda enoa ne mega cash lucky box say bomodia na fa wo phone de ehia ne se phone sim dam we eye all network na dial sa short code we *426*8# *426*8# na wo dial a no kwasem ne say eye Max FM Max TV na kire say what choose wo Max FM anasa wo Max TV na afa wodi sika no as low as 5 Ghana cedis per wodi abo achi dom na tese nsi achi ba wodi asi achire na won so what choose wo lucky box no na wonya choose wo lucky box na sika ni utimi di sika botine free 5,000 ekosi 550,000 as a 500 million umpe we na wo pede yi mega cash lucky box say we eya agudie kura kire se efe enika na esanso ede yie papa eni te bomode ana pa yede eye okay ye ko break yede eye okay ye ko break ye ko commercial break na ye ba de aka bia nso no yede ebeto awso yenya owura Victor Ba ewo ahoma ne so ya wono ena kire se empanimfo ayi empabo ede ahye no se womra na yen autotip no woni yen emmekire ene ye bisa se as a pedestrian anase asobi a wonam kwa ho adwuma ben ananhyehyɛ ye ben ene wo ho ma wo se wo de wonam kwa no so a wonam so akwa ana wonim se wonam kwa ho a enhyehyɛ ye ewo ho ma wa se wo a wonam kwa ho no esese wundi so ana Victor Oraba anope ye besan amwakwa aba Max FM eso Max Money jujuma die so die. Hello Yoraba. Hello. Me se ahoma no enhyeda enimwa yen ene anope yi. Ye bekoso apusu ahoma no na afei ye ne Oraba atwetwe enkomo yi papa.
Max FM 89.7.
Okay, yenya Owura Victor ewo ahoma ne so asisi aye ne no eba betwetwe enkomo. Enti Owura Victor anope ye bem wache ema wakwa aba Max FM 89.7 Max Money Judumadi so. Hello.
Yo, me da se. Oba ima ba jo utumenka.
Mete won kapa sesi ade obesi edamu kre.
We dey mo franche say anope ahoma nu ma etwetwe kan.
No kwasem.
Me dey ni ye Victor Banda so into.
Owura Victor Banda so into.
I'm a certified instructor.
Okay.
Any proprietor of Victory Shine Drive Consult.
Victory Shine Drive Consult. Okay.
We're off Splinters Road, Committee 18 Quine so.
No kwasem.
Committee 18 motorway Quine so.
Okay. Owura we de anopai ye fra wo a enya bone. Ye bebisa say eja wakwakoye onimdifo a wonim kwan so jojo ene ahyen ho ensam yi ye bisa anopa yi se as a pedestrian anase asobi a wonam kwan ho ahyede ben ene wo ho mawo se wonam kwan ho esese wo ye na den ena yenye wabra ye nam kwan ho enti anopa de we de ye nkomotiawa
yo me da say so we road user enti won so emra ewo ho mawo a e wo se utumi bi so ebi ni say wo kwa ko yusu kwan na yes see I was say wo nanti wo ba bi a ube face car na e ba no
okay
enti say car ni nam ni fana e kwa wo so ba wo face car no se na be ya e ba se driver no wo lose control kakra bi a wani be boss na se wo be hwida koto ba bi se dey na what me ehwiri akoto ho but you say ha no obi anama na onam peke office onu dey o need responsibility bia and into your Ghana highway code no e ka ho asem say we bi sa we pedestrian nanti wo na traffic car na efiri wani mu ba no afei e ba wata de ekura nka obehye wa na adu fam a o say wo hye bibia e ye reflective na reflective no hu bi kura nka atare a ɛyɛ fita se na be ya se car no to kanea to so a obehu sɛ bibi fitaa bi ɛwɔ hɔ
okay
ina fe sɛ abase bi a wo ne nkola mpo na nam a ɛwɔ sɛ mu 90 fresi car no ba wo na wo yɛ obi a wo kura kola ne nsɛm no ɛwɔ sɛ wo na ade wo ho ba car kwan no na kola no kɔ sɛ gata na no a se na be sɛ bibi ba wo betumi apia akola no esi nkyɛn ina sɛ mu yɛ nipa dodo a mo nam so a ɛwɔ kwan a ɛwɔ sɛ mo fa so na but ya tu ni nyinaa jeje mu di nyinaa bɛto driver no so sɛ driver no nko ara na ɔnhwɛ afei edu baabi a yɛtwa saa pɛpɛɛpɛ na ha no mo agya to driver fo no nko ara so wadi ase
ene we dia ya mo monta man kyerɛkyerɛ ne nkwa ne mu pa because MPP no die yenim ne sɛ zebra crossing die car ne ba obi kura sɛ car ba na nam zebra crossing mu a ɛmɔ enso sɛ bia wonim ho nim dia abahu sɛ ba na kyerɛ sɛ wonam zebra crossing mu so na ɛkyena nko na o da yare sabia
ne ɛte ne sɛ baabi a yɛyɛ ɔhu sɛ ebinom kura tumi ɛforo ayi baabi wɔ a yɛagye ɛkwan ne ho sɛ ne bɛyɛ a nkankorɔfoɔ ne yɛgya space bi ato hɔ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wokɔ so kwan na wafa hɔ nanso ebinom bu mmara no so ehwiri fa dadeɛ na yɛde agye hɔ no yɛmfa baabi te sɛ Medina ɔhu sɛ abanya sɛ sika ayɛ pedestrian ayi overpass wɔ hɔnom a because sɛnea kwan ne so wɔ hɔnom no na traffic light ne nso wɔ no cars ne dɔɔso wogu ho a car ne bɛbɔ ɛhɔ so akɔyɛ market area a yɛayɛ food bridge wɔ hɔnom a nka amanfoɔ bɛfo ɛde akɔ so akɔ kwan n'akyi no wɔn nyɛ saa policefoɔ gyina hɔ a wɔn hwɛ nso still wɔn ma policefoɔ n'adwuma no yɛ kɛseɛ ma wɔn dodo na sɛ kwa mi sɛ mi ti sɛ sogyafoɔ koraa kɔ gyina hɔnom a wɔn yɛ nso last week mi twɛ ma fa all the same thing nti yɛbɛsrɛ yɛnhwɛ yɛn ho yie pedestrianfoɔ no nso wɔn hu sɛ kaa bɔ wa yɛyɛ driver ne dan koraa mpo a sɛ wɔn nan kɔyɛ apakye a ntumi ntene ma wo da yɛnwe yɛn ho first me so me deɛ kakra bɛka kyerɛ ɔmo
nso wo deɛ kakra wo bɛka ɛde akyerɛ yi a yɛtwa kwan mu ne yɛ akɔ bɛseɛ yɛde kwan ɛyɛ yɛ nneɛma road users
na wo nipa ne deɛ wonya spare parts biara wɔ kolegi yɛnhwɛ yɛn ho yie
yɛnhwɛ yɛn ho yie owura Victor anɔpɛ yɛbɛde wase papaapa yɛne yɛtiefoɔ nyinaa
me so me da mo ase nti abere bi amoto nsa fa yɛn a yɛbɛba na yɛaba abɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu
yɛate paa yɛda ase
nipa akwankyɛn so nkyɛ a Ghana National Association of Driving School members nyinaa ekyia wɔn nyinaa ɛne wɔn adwuma pa a wɔn yɛ na ɔmanfoɔ no nso wɔn ntie ɛyɛ program bi a wɔn ntie na wɔn mmerɛ bi na ɛbɛboa ɛma yɛ kwan so ayɛ kosɛkosɛ ama yɛ nyinaa
kwan so ayɛ kosɛkosɛ ama yɛ nyinaa yɛn nso yɛda ase yie papaapa nyame nhyira owura Victor Ba Ntoda nso ɛka ne din ho ɛna yɛne no ɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ wɔyɛ pani ɛwɔ Victory Shines Drive Consult na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ ɛnanɔpɛ yi as a pedestrian adeɛ sɛ sɛ woyɛ ɛwɔ bra wonam kwa so no ɛna wɔde abrɛ yɛn no wonam a bɔmɔden na face car ne titiru sɛ anadwo wonam hyɛ atade a ɛyɛ reflector na kyerɛ sɛ traffic light atade no pɛ bi hyɛ wɔanya koraa no hyɛ fufuo fitaa sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a car bi ti ɛfa so na wɔ ba a wɔbɛtumi abɔmɔden ahu sɛ nipa asemasi ɛna nam hɔ yi ɛnsɛm wɔ yi ɛne ɛnsɛm bi ka ho ɛna owura Victor ɛde maa yɛ a yɛkyɛ yɛn ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛkɔ yɛ street vibe no ɛso na street vibe no ɛnɛ anɔpa yi yɛbisa sɛ ɛkɔba ne sɛ ɔbaa woduru wo mpanin fie bi so na wotwe mpena bɛɛma uduru mpani mfie so na wo twempena edi akwa awade mu mo boaboa mo ho edi akwa
Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you na absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Maxbuy outlets to start shopping. In Shesek Accra. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
The
Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Which school has produced the brightest mind? What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of spirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. Omo producing NASA Intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Okrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kwani Presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquest. Yan can say Truth Conquest.
Truth Conquest. When St. Augustine is talking about Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine, perseverance, conquest on. Truth is what? Then
Truth Conquest. Mo persevere, mo yede it's truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050 9038 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your VAs. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Cause reggae is
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛs ne kwasi ada untumi fa do adanso untumi fa bladanso Kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam Kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji ti na me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi febe.
She's busy waiting for somebody. She's not easy, won't give it to anybody. She's patiently waiting for her honey. She don't want your money. Our hearts are in harmony. See, I am busy waiting for somebody. Don't know what you mean. You're the kind of bringing love. I'm patiently waiting for Black Kwame. Oh, I don't need your money. Our hearts are in harmony. Oh, don't make she don't need nobody. Hearts are in harmony. Chessing across the dream with London. Come fiesta, my boss, I push a Croydon. 4 years, time, I am it off your wedding. Boys, flashing off, now I'm bedding. That's a tinny with it in your bam side. Watch a chinny round up and you ran out your papa. We see from the name the word we shall machine the Prada. I am Beyonce, and so you're the Nancy who is a gaga. Wara, wana, konya, kala, kama, hana, kama.
Yanum. No, I say, Abuaboa. Abuabowa. Otobo boba ya samba wa oso abuabowa. Yo abuabowa. Ene nkomoti a waye bisa se e ma ne mema hefo na ya trenefo e wa wade mu se ye mpena twen anasa wade mu hefo na ye faithful e ma ne mema hefo na ka no kore pa e wa wade mu so ba ne be ma te se ye twen mpena na se ye ya wadefo hefo na ka no kore pa nkomodi agita we hu hia kra se be fa phone line say say ye ayenim dada say ya no mo nka no kre enkomodi e be yiri o e be yiri and if I cost 2.5 pe because we there nkomo ane oh omunjo masem enti yemu phone kwakere wadwen na yemu phone line so no na yenye yina na dia
kumi ano pay boko de
enye boko
ehi na afa ya sa wo be eduma wo fa he
baby ada bia me fa na
nye ene ba bia fa no ho nye
adwuma fono me
adwuma ya de
man chekora o
fa ja to na ko ye po na ma lo fe wo de ja to na ko
man chekora
wa bo wo da bo ko e
enti ya se bisa na etia wa
omuno mpesa mu prove wa mo panzo omo ano boy den no so omuno mpesa mu prove wa mo panzo omo ano boy den no so omuno mo nye
na odwen ho se nkomo yi hefo na e ka no kre wo
oh me dear to me dear as oba ya ye ko relationship mu ye ne emema e ba betena empempi no chese be ma no kra no bi ho no ma wono no wo ba wo de na tikọ nenam nye adwene no e na wo de nam atikọ no e na wo de na chese ni nsem nyina wa chechere gu na tikọ se wo beja agu so wo fin se wo di akoma pa e kọ no ana wuti mu a wo fin so be ma we de mene ya na e kọ no oni be ba ahozo na ono no de obo chaskele o fulan ponza be se ne na broki ha tai geye ya mo be nyamio ohun empempi emema ena yen tanka no kore bako ukita ne nsa no osan wache ne pa na afa obodua obetimi abodua de ne kon wasi ho nso no oboa he wo obetimi aye fragadam bi na ne bu afu nso no oboa rabasa wonte da
emema suban
oh na se ne wa wani tua wa wani
tua ma mema
oh
enye fit
no kore kan bako si ebi ni ho
0550055522 0550055522 anase 0551598321
oka bibi ma ne yanka no gram mo no die kumi because wanga do ajo odi kwa ko si oba pe no on to ye na ye kita vibe no on se ma no mu ntimi si be ma fe nti ye na ye kita vibe no what I say nti vibe no kita ye nkwa dia aje no so ye aje mu se mu do nti won se betimi ye be ma na jare no kwen die because ko si oba pe bo di ko yo be mi kai mi kwala bi school time me ya me ko si oba pe no be so na ya ko si sa abo ni coins ba ko bi na da she ko to ko I say we seeking another again we take ya ko coins no on ayo ajale mema de nkano kwa ndie yankano kwa mani de o mechi ti de ba yem ma no wan go si oba ni pa on ti nka say you ma fene ha nti ye mo na info so na mo le fie enye ma no
Filippo Teshi yeda se hwan nie
me gift so
okay gift there
kache gift ye te on kache papa
me jeho
yay
adabe eja kumisi obe we mi ni o ye me dai mu me bela de besia no ya kan ya ko nyamba
eno ano no
na sendra uhumi na udwane ye
me de tell
yo ma Gladys yenti yo
we ye gift
ma gift yenti yo adaroma
mi ni aba obe ni ate wati ni bra no be kasa sia no obe ni ate be man den kan wati no pressure de takashi kra be shema wa uju kra wo fiase be ma de
Not. Asemu.
Eye party tele sa about your muncha esa o tete o musa. Eye party tele sa about your muncha esa o tete o musa. Anu na your first part.
We.
You.
We are see how then na smart pa. Sister Kumi.
Abu aye smart. Nipa bema.
Nipa banya bema. Oba na smart o. Oba we smart. Oh say wo we smart o ba wo timi dada oba be. But oba is smart. Oba uni oba ti. Uni mi ya dia wo be ka chense oba we de mi ni wa mi pese mi wale oba we no. Mi di ye de mi di twitwi mi semu keke. But oba di onu oba ji atumo ni se wo so bo one side no onu so akọbọ two side oba bi onu won ga nkire o. Enti oba ni di ase we come omo na omo nka no kre ba ko boy.
Yadase. Kumi bese wanoka senti.
Wanoka senti. Why dear heaven and now when him. Hello, when ye.
Hello, Pastor. Good morning.
Oh, why?
Glad you see me.
Okay, what do you mean? You're fine.
Glad. Okay, said Bella.
Mommy, my chair.
You
who are dumb. What do you mean? Possum chair, madam.
Oh, boy.
What do you possum pan?
Oh, person convince you not as okay be my mema. What boy?
Oh, why the walk or wrong direction?
And one no.
Oh, no, so sit down.
That's a lie, okay.
Debbie. Many boats me that now, how can I easy?
Oba fa he na kwa dada owo.
But my sister say oba je so owo gina ha. Make you see owo na ja oba no because oba e dangerous thing owo.
Ko wani mo e. U be nyina che ko wani.
O be fa owo no aja oba.
I swear, me owo na ja oba na oba e dangerous ho.
Ko wani mo e. Enyo oba na ane ne tie.
Kofi.
Me oba di ma po.
Adapa tututi ni
o girlfriend awase. What?
So be fa owo no aja.
Ne girlfriend anase. Onko na nim.
Kofi. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
From Texas.
Okay, yentio.
Sir, about the prayer there, a man in the chat tropa, a man in the chat, about the prayer, a man in the chat tropa, one planting by a lady and a man. A man on Yavalu, yes, as a man, you are Lomuviana, Udom Befia. Half an amount of much no more die. Now, a corner cry said, then you know about the Pantana man carbon. But then, on about Chimpana, they are, Omona, send the 2, 3, 4, send a become boss now, or just had now, or the iron near man. New woman, I never knew you could see the Brunei Jais animal. But the banner said, I be put out with the same name, person commanded animal, who are we are no more judging. She never man so carbon. I will live on the man the chanter, but I'm punishing them there. I am
you.
Yeah, that's it.
Why are dear? Bisanyuma wa busu ya pain. Hello, when ye?
Maybe that's right. Oh, my spirit, I couldn't. And you now to go on with you. Okay, I will about him for more than a boom. More than a more comical. Community, when you know mouth, you thought why or you were to move on. And the president in the state could more. You know, you don't want a comical. Oh, me. Oh, Cata. Remember would be happy. You say, for me.
That man che one.
One
Some know you're fine. Now, Obia, me know you're fine. They make us out once an eden.
I know I am fine. You know you're fine. So I know my name are fool. Thank you.
I'm for me. You need more share. We can try to answer. Hello, when ye?
Kumikasa.
Why so no?
Joyce.
Joyce of Rifinfa.
Miss Sophie Sumamensia.
Say.
I say, I train Penada, Nanyawa.
But I never would be a champion.
Cafra, and Camados is so be.
But I never now you have a broom, Mr. Walla.
Auntie Joyce yam kwai.
Oh, me na mpacho wuye.
Boko mami.
Oh.
Na won so e.
Ya Yesu adom.
Ye de Awurade ase.
Oh, ya maka ma se bi.
We should have ye da ase.
Yeah, 0550055522 and I say 0551598321. Yemfa focus and can hona yemfa of Regumedi no and see a fena do a feeding at a yedin common bisa say so ban be matisa what the fun I say a chimpna. Ye bisa say why ne kind of crepa ewa wadi na see and I say and penetration nimu or bad na say Bema Ubu why ye.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pastor from Sandra, me pastor from my freedom.
Okay, Sandra, I tell me what you know what say.
Me pastor some worry dear. Afa no ni na obi anka no kre. E man ni bi nka no kre, me man no bi nka no kre. We nya say be man kwa na nka no kre. Ye man no kra ye bi bi nka no kre. Obi o trim na oni we na o san so ni we san so na me man ko ti. Ye ni na obi anka no kre. Ndamase.
Yen so ye da se kumi be se onum kasanti ubenyina che.
Ubenyina no ayira. Yo, obi ho. Wanum kasanti ubenyina no ayira. Wate. Hello.
Hello, da.
Well, da ne wa ubekume. Da
Some catcher say, "Me keep your secret." Makasa me papa get.
Oh, and then I keep your secret. Oh, and then I keep your secret. Keep me to catch it.
Control my kaka.
Oh, okay.
Somewhere I'm with the abana. You know, who say, "Bema no ane no ho ne car na abesi hoyi." Afi do hu ni hoye, e no betina one gan betina car ni mu. Afi do mo kono. Boy ni bisa gen asem kra wan kasa da. I say up to now, gen ni ma won ho, gen ntimi am bia am fa ne am. Nti ma ni de omo ye dangerous. Ni kind of kra. It is the kind of kra pa. That's
Oh, yeah, that's bebre pa, yeah, that's one no kasanti. Ubenyina che.
Yo. Yate why are dear? Why? Yes, sir. Why no ha? Say nipa na. Hello, why ye?
Hey, I tell you.
Yeah, I tell you, yamayako, papa. Yate won say.
Oh, my Facebook me wumo.
Sao, your YouTube. Max FM Ghana, YouTube. YouTube Max FM Ghana.
You are the Mokohofa and the offer me in Africa. I should have to put them once in my big and make a
Asamne say. Oba any bema awadiemu empenatrium him fafo na mpempi yete twa ntropa say your ba no na bema no
oni oba manu twa ntropa oni mba no
dey
Timothy Papa Medamasi and from Flame Pa Timothy Medamasi.
Ata yeso papa wu.
Papa wo hono me wo sisi awo.
You know, see her medical kadada ne Mr. Bobby amadwuma fono ya adwuma ne doso papa nti yenkwe yanim ene matwe homa matwe nkrata me so matwere bi
petition
ene me so meka bi ene me so matwere bi ene da bi asei ene me se ene me so meka bi papa
and they announce what your petition dey coin
ene me gusu achro okay na yenkwa na yenti enkomoi emfi ho aja anopa ye mu ache
yenna
we de yeja
be bo ani so
yeja
so ho ye
danyame ase oswe
ehu adom ye ho ye anopa yi ye ne yeti aye adwuma ho na ta wo
yesu yeda anyame ase se abedua na yeda ye chiamot mutiofo ni nanso
that's it.
Okay, now me William Williams. Free Potentials 8 Foundation. Now Potentials 8 Foundation. So, Juma kakra ye NGO. Na Juma kakra ye dini se ye she nkrofo a ana nkora omuko school a omunya ade. and HSA Omodibo or school mu eda form. Na a prepino ye can na ye can say ebi omabon sebi. Na but a bill or wha and yes omabon omo special na that policy no HSA or say omo na that policy no HSA or say omo idea need ya omo body form no omo na mutimina class na chicha no ehwe omo ni na ntimi excelling and omo timi striving by preparing so teachers no omo yi omo ntanya idea no eto side because research no say over 10 students or class out of 10 one person obewo condition I friend dyslexia dyslexia no omo entire idea or class but omo different gifts onunti na ye ba say ye be a little bit awareness in the anasi
inti eno sa no de na moye boa akoda no
until first no sisia no ye awareness because me gina akra no menya case be parent be me church parent be about ne ba say me study ne ba no this and this are me hu ne ba no first until me nka dey class na fin so no o kire ne poetry reciter be say okay be a weeks time ye be program be until wo ma oba no embe card until me remember ni memory no until me nka until parent bi so ho a wo ka until ase say obi a wo ka say me ba abon ana ebia until the sisi na ye awareness no say ye ma teachers ati ase say sumgit until first idea ye ni say ye be ma teachers ati ase parent ati ase omo ti ase wi a okay na afi no na ya fafro ho it's awareness no na ye for the meantime
echina mu dwumadi be na eba so no
ye dwumadi anka eba so no ye ewo
anka eba so anasa ma
ya year to next week
okay
nature say ye ni MP no
okay
ayawa so of municipal
mo ye den
ye ni omo akasa anti ye dia to next week say ye workshop and a symposium ya talk na ya ni nkrofo akasa about dyslexia
okay
na say na dyslexia niti na benefit home na they are well almost struggles no ya ka ya church o ye be screening say ebia ye be mom questionnaire omo fill na ye hu say ebia we condition e bi ana we ni bi ye so ana ye the intervention programs at all
date ben
oh ye be no 7th of November 12 o'clock
enkola nko ana mpanfo te say ya jimi no so ye betima baby
oh okay ya the omo to parents any teachers until we are parents a ultimate baby we are teachers so ultimate baby na ye more school for at least for public schools near about 7 near about 7 in number we are parents so ultimate as a parent and as a teachers
we dey TV full program for number 2 gba na ya am from
tina me say almost special gift the dictation me g 10 kings one run one the dictation me g 10 kings one run one king na fe no massage mentors
ntina wantimi anye kasi
ntina enye easy ntina easy
abana mo afon
ntina me pese ye hu se na be boa
na fa number ni tudwa bia
ntina number no me o MTN na Vodafone MTN 0557 554 597 and na Voda ni 020 74 95762 member number ni biom okay Voda ni 020 74 95762 na MTN 0557 554 597 nti say bia o person boa o support here so a o frɛ a ya ni o be kasa
ati 7th November.
7th November.
Classroom.
Location your friend hall lit.
Okay.
Lit Innovation Hub.
Okay.
Kotobabi Police Station down. Location.
Yeah, that's it. Why?
Yeah, that's
until the 7th November, member.
That's
it. Mamma, Abusia, for Nina, Yena Falcon.
You will show me.
More hearing.
That's that was his time anyway. Okay.
Dear. A teacher for any Bruno, the Omania, the Chroma, one Cassacra. Oh, Uncle Mishanka Cassia, but as a native winning to a teacher for any Brimuama. Wait to me, I can and now Chemu, or back come a be winning score by ya. Abigail. Me who said na a Gina Hoy Shana Tafreta Frenanoa.
Why?
Yen Yamba. Get no winning, do I come on? I come up. I come up. Into a chance of Quambias will be Jessica. Quambani a day and who Jim Wetchina.
Mimichia with your phone Mimobia match. And I yes, sir. Yes. To see, I don't say we are soon sending I and we be able to get out. Bronya dare my phones are ba laptops are ba bibia ba and then the class what to abobo anu out to me ye juma enye scam ani ye. The san intina mega cash for in penny 4 ye dey go be buy a friend mega cash lucky box. I agree what to abobo anu a oboa instant nana sika go phone so. And intina ye di promo abata hono. Send ya Friday bia winners no at least obi benya bibia dey. Akofie. No Rebecca said you made the didn't say, and no one say wa foul phone, say a smartphone, say a yam. No about star 426 star 8 hash star 426 star 8 hash. Our network be so. No I select option 1 and answer option 2. We are 6 boxes beba. No I select a lucky box. Box account say bibi womuno. No I select a box no. We are now the kakra to us 5 cedis or more. We are bedi jume diri and the points be kwe nimuno. Or no be winners no. Now you best selected 10 winners. And fedi agro. Inti se points ni be doswa. Now be winners ni huwa. You betches ka up to 2,000 Ghana cedis. Commercial home. 2,000. Into obi last week senya kumika and last week Abigail nya 1,000 onya smartphone they come na ye keska se mo se kama onya 500 cedis onya smartphone Techno smartphone ono sansu nya ye branded t-shirt any channel so mo ta hwe Max TV no be hu say Abigail say onya pa anya Abigail kwa ne nya papa bi su nya bi yes Jordan on su nya bi obenya ne 1,000 Ghana cedis kula de share no ho because o dijume die no ne points no de kwanim ono nso benya ne 1,000 e share no ho nti mi agro we me de me ho agim Monday ni namde 500 to ho no ma ba say aka 100 cedis am be bo account na 500 nasa because me points ni so kwanim pa me pese me so me nya sika ni bi se me nya me phone crampa me 1,000 de embo me and ye chefiti ye cha kosi 2,000 into bit me kranya 1,900 into sa Friday to make deal with patcho Mr. Uba unya points one bar unya points ni here ne so be fa phone no about star 426 star 8 hash star 426 star 8 hash our network bia so ni here ne say same card now did you made no register mobile money also say na be ya betumi do sika amount na instant na game results na ere etwa so adi na instant na game results na ere etwa so adi we na ma mega cash for your demonstration kokra so ubo game na say unya wo game results in instant na udipe na instant na bio no cash na sanso be good phone so we yanka say bra office and na you say and no we don't do that nti me encourage you obia Friday every Friday we nyame yaduma obi be 1,000 Ghana coffee o nti fan say yes fan say game we me bo every week I mean every Friday na me nya 1,000 that a week a month you saying sika kwa Inti se me encourage you bia Friday bia giveaway na ekoso enya asem ketwa ye makosi 2000 Ghana cedis ni asanso ache smartphones ni asanso ama branded t-shirt any echeni bi asese ye fendi agrokra ye we encourage ye players no so that game no many beje ho pa na we ye ifiti ase keke we ye the proper kwemu na Christmas no oh my goodness Christmas no enye fe di agrokra nti so pese Friday no o kan ye winners ne ho amestre mema rainful code no *426 *8 hash *426 *8 hash no wa select option 1 na 6 boxes no wa select box B a open number B a open no wa select we are na the kakra to us na game results no egusu bebre ne hia ne se so bo udi a unya points obo na wen dia unya points it gusu bo na beka winners ne ho
mani briska
enye ye ni briska ye pesika
mo pesika
ye ni mbre wi aso bi ani briska
on pesika on tra ho kaza abre pot
nka oti ha na go we no en se say wa hu ne se unya 18 years a mefa hu shem 18 years and fa ohun en sha go we mu on se Ghana hire dem bra na ye ejuma ye hu ni se unya 18 na o ya abofra o ye abotofra
yo yate ye bedo ase se enenso ye ton safra ba ye
mate
ye da se
na on se obi ohun mo beka se obo game no so no the result emba intense sa on se eto de bia ofro bia komi wa ha se obe me pa metumi afro me fro so wo hu so bia me fro cramp na se o ye call enso na onye call so wo hu te ne santi na
nti o kan say no ma me kan kire me rese so frɛ me na say bia ye catch and say call waiting na enye say bia me ye call
o dia ne dia o ye call
e ye call waiting
komi o dia ne dia o ye call asemu kana no pay ya say emba ne me ma hwa na etwa ntwe empna training o ye call kumi jaisa me pacho so wo fre kumi na say oye kwa enye
network kumi dia enye network
yesu moja nkama ni mako intilia so de so no
ai na uhu se network no eye ne ho nyema nyema bisa na results ne ye de ama na se usika ne de
mass radio go select mass radio o mana o lucky numbers 1 to 6 o matcha o lucky number go twa o lucky number o mana 5 Ghana cedis ni achire ka o ma put 5 cedis ni achire ka o ma enter o momo pin
okay
ko na ko ye o mana message momo from Mega Cash ke o twa no oye alo ke obiye
okay
o ma gain point o point o ema help mo ke Friday ke TV ai Max Mega Cash Novella watch and win
yeah
wa ma twa mo ke o win 2000 Ghana cedis ba isika oye nti ene na cha say yensempa ye ma tete mama ye nuanom nka tete mama ye nuanom nkanfo ni nyina yo tina yada se mami nya kwan
jame kwan
ate
ene no ye scanner di jame kwan na de oh eya sembisa
o si jame
kwan fefe na ahwefo nyina hu se
enti abusuafo enema nteme nka bi ma na me tina kwan ai tina yankona me nya kwan na esa se komo ya yedie sika semo
Welcome to Thursday morning.
All right, I'm saying Yansamu Akwaba and Famra Max 89.7 Max Morning D when I was Gusu Uti and your friend Kumikasa Yanquin Fe and Come Yente Enfi Eho Na abusuafo yaba, pamcho yama makwaba.
That's it.
Pamcho nam ho te sen.
Nyame adom na also.
Nyankopɔn dom me ho yɛ pa. Wadaruma obebo di ne udi bi ekra o.
But your friend me JJ Kofi, me free Runway International Showcase, and a fashion show I be December. Yeah, me a project manager and project lead.
Oh, okay.
And I'm in me pa Ahmed Amzi.
Ahmed, wadaruma peja mic na kakra ma me na. Na be mic na kakra ma me. Ahmed anope saying.
I'm fine.
Hey.
I'm good.
Voice no. Hey. Ba ko bo trouble na ba ko bo base. Anope mo te saying. All right. Program na eba so December.
And see, first of all, Meda Obibiarasi, and forgive me, my tree isn't so perfect, but I'll mix it with English and tree. So, if we Runway International Showcase and a event that has been in existence, the diasporan fashion, the diasporan African fashion, the diasporan fashion industry, to say USA, Europe, Germany, and the list goes on and on. Wow, with our fashion show to be able to penetrate the industry. And it's also harnessing and throwing light on African fashion designers who are doing so well with their creative prowess as well. And so basically, Enona, we're here to talk about. And this year's theme is fashion meets food. Because Unim say Ghana, we have a lot of indigenous Ghanaian dishes, and we are incorporating it with fashion and style, because Oka culinary and Oka food, food is very artistic, is beauty, same as fashion. Fashion is beauty, is artistic, and in partnership with the College of Culinary Arts and Hospitality Management, COCEM, which is located at Accra Newtown, Habavana, not far from Jowulu. Yes, and our partners are the Bex brand. Yes, he is a Liberian American-based singer and musician. Yes, and our brand, friend of Bex brand. So he has a fashion brand. Okay. He also owns a men's grooming brand and a product now or your bema or your buy. It's not basically for men though, but it's a grooming brand. Okay. To say shaving cream, after shave product. Yes. And to honor one of our main sponsors, we also have some sponsors too as well. And we have the West African Fashion Council USA chapter.
It's open for everybody. Okay. It's open for everybody. Okay. It's open for kids, it's open for adults. You know, kids from age of 10, right? From age 10 above. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to see how we can achieve to put people into what they know how to do best. You know, with our CEO and our, with Mr. Bex and John Morris and we, the team, we are ready to give the best of the best yet. Because now, what we're looking at inside the industry of fashion is bringing our people into it, letting them know, okay, there are chances for you to grow, there are chances for you to explore, there are chances for you to do what you know how to do best. Yet. And one thing about fashion is fashion comes with so many things. Fashion comes with beauty, fashion comes with what you know, fashion comes with ideas, you get, and with Mr. Bex coming in as our co-sponsor, right? Headline sponsor. We feel this will be a great job for us to accomplish.
Expectation it is saying but no at the end I expect if you on that day.
What we're expecting,
how creatively the African fashion industry is and how it has grown. You also get to see different varieties of food and dishes as well, and you also get to network and interact with different people from different walks of life, from the US, the UK, Canada, Vietnam, Australia, Nigeria, Liberia, Ghana. The list goes on and on. And ubenya opportunity to meet different types of people. You meet your fashion influencers, your style influencers, you meet your celebrities, your diplomats, ambassadors. The list goes on and on and on. Let me not give too much, but a tip of the iceberg, you're going to get to meet for a bit more visa to the US.
Yeah, that's
you get to meet the High Commissioner and Ambassador of US to Ghana firsthand, to network, to get to talk opportunities, business opportunities. And another good thing is there are going to be lots of prizes to be won as well, because we're setting out a challenge as well. And also, aside the prizes being won too, we are also offering a free sponsorship opportunity to people who want to go to culinary school and learn how to cook. And to be an overhaul person, you have different types of dishes, both continental, intercontinental, and local dishes. In partnership with the College of West End, a DM or Instagram. At Runway International Fashion Showcase or Instagram. Yes, and now send us an email at rifsghana@gmail.com. Yes.
A free show.
It's a ticketed event. Yes, and link out. We also have a short code where you can purchase tickets.
All right.
Yes, and Pacho, hold on 1 minute.
All right. Enti for Bomodia say 13th December. Ye na yen konko pie mu medical kan. Ye mu bi de me koya me du ho na me bi say aduane ni si hifa.
Yes. And short code no ye *800 *233#. Or you download the Charlie app. Yes, Charlie app.
Charlie no spellings in it to say
CHALE. Charlie app. To purchase your tickets.
All right.
Yes.
Time.
So red carpet starts at exactly 6 p.m. Main show starts at 7 p.m.
All right.
Yes.
More encrophobia mo bedo masia na.
Yeah, first of all, you can say Miss Jonda Morris on the CEO on na asoma ye de abaha, and I say your headline sponsor Mr. Bex Richardson as well. You can say and all our sponsors, our media partners, Max TV, Showbiz TV. Partially, yes, it will be streaming live on some media channels and not ever out later, but it's also be streaming live on all our social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. Yes.
All right, now the attraction answer this one.
Okay, so first of all, I want to thank all the listeners and viewers of Max FM, and I also want to thank my people at the top, my odogus at the top. That's why I call them Miss Jonda Morris, Mr. Bex Richardson, and then my wonderful team, Angel, Irama, Ahmed, Makis, Sugar, Mr. Nyako. Yes, I want to say a very big thank you to all of you, and I also want to thank all the partners and sponsors who have come on board to make the show a wonderful success. So we're hoping for the best. Let's anticipate and let's watch out for one of the biggest fashion shows to ever hit the African fashion industry.
Yeah, madam, I said no pay to have from mobile.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, in terms of for your sempa, yes, say, or your fashion designer, no when you bedje who say 13th December, Obaba no be jinemu, Waba training, or Bomadia so be fraying 0278238758. 0278238758. And we change mu bia open so no ofre number we ya yede ebema yebeda busuafo na ase na aseda no bi nso enkoma Aisha Modi ne boyfriend Zola we know Zola nsa no we so dia Max Morning D live on Max 89.7 nti yebetwa ho aba na yeba na yede ye street there be People's Parliament jumadi na to aso dia ma yeba sese ya
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install you AC and TV and the insurance it sounds a Duke every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out here now, absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. In Sheshai Kakra Womu. For more details, call us on 054-401-9552.
Hello, Ebusian 4. Your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, and Max FM 89.7. If you joada, Ekosi Fiada, about non-crew Kosi Dumi and Ubeboa, program no air live on Max FM. Nanika Semne says, Yasisem, about non do Kosi Dumi and Ubeboa, program no SIN live on Max TV. And how any Boran Crofireman so, Yakofa the major leagues around Europe, Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, any their kikaon. Afeso so, about the Kutukubon Sem dia, and any Max TV, Max FM, unim se Bukom Boxing Arena, the BIA ho, Professional Boxing League, ya the hun seminar ebeba Max Sports Park.
This Saturday and every Saturday on Max 89.7 FM. Connect with your school. Quiz School has produced the brightest mind. What is your school renowned for? Find out as high schools and colleges go head to head, vying for bragging rights and glory. Don't miss this chance to witness history in the making. Join us for an unforgettable morning of respirited debate and fierce competition. Presec Secondary School, 7 times winners. Omo producing NASA Intelligent.
Atomic Energy Commission Okrumano. Omo yede wo.
Kwani kucho Presec can say go up.
Kumasi High School, Truth Conquest. Yan can say Truth Conquest.
Truth Conquest. When St. Augustine is talking about, Adisade is talking about the best is always good for Adisade. And then St. Augustine, perseverance, conquest, on. Truth is what? Then I
Truth Conquest. Mo persevere, mo ye den is truth that conquers at long last.
School Connect. Link up with your former mates and be part of your school once again. Schools Connect. Be part of the competition.
89.7 Wero Max FM what jidu okita say
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkens ne kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu kam kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Sume nane wabate nasio
Max FM 89.7 Max FM 89.7
Aje unewa yiniho Soye mu kakara Faye koduru Boshasa senesu Yama waiko Mira Abibi manu sume Nane wabate nasio Yeni da suoba kope Aje unewa yiniho Soye mu kakara Faye koduru Boshasa senesu Abibi mansuwa Yesu na yeni ojifubia Onyameno adomwana Wasani ama yeno Osui bejaye ye freewa Aburabo yebebo ye freewa Ebenya moto papa awa Sabibi man benya sumia Yeni obia aje wonkuwa Ekuwa kitwa Jentata Ema yempa bo ema yensainda Yewudi ya bedroom yenyaye muanda Yenti na wapure enyaye muanda Yenti na waku enyaye muanda Nyamiko kuroko Nyamiko kuroko Nyamiko kuroko Yema waiko Nane wabati nasio Wabati nasio Abibi mani wabati nasio Nane wabati nasio Yeni dasu wabakope Aje unewa yeniho Soye mu kakara Faye goduru Boshasa
right abusua yɛmu akɔ aba
bɔkɔ amegyidi sɛ mo nso mo ho yɛ
yehu adom yɛ ho yɛ paa
nyame ase
ɛdin a obiara ni mu Sarus
mpakyɛ wan sa pepepe Sarus
for the first time obi etie menu mienu mɛpɛ sɛ menu mienu na yɛmfa yɛn phone no na yɛnkɔ Google na yɛncheck yɛmbɔ odin ni yɛhwɛ sɛ hwan yɛ friend Sarus wadaroma nti fa phone no mpakyɛ wafa
mpakyɛ wan
okay nti mi wɔ Google why mpakyɛ odin ni yɛbɔ ne sɛn SARULES
yes
nti yɛmmɔ na yɛnhwɛ sɛ hwan yɛ friend Sarus yeah all right what the number mpakyɛ the number me shada hu obi a friend Sarus ɛwɔ ha manhu Sarus no na edin komo foforo
oh okay
asa ohun komo no eni internet ne so sa wa hu hello
ohene
akakakra
afena yegusu a yetoto niema se ne be ya niema ebetimi eduba bia nanso se wokɔ ebia YouTube dia because dey enwom ne bi dey tui ato nti ubetimi ehum Sarus ewo ho
yeah wadaro ma fe na oba na se usi mu ache
yesi mu ache de nanso mu no o boaboa ho se ne be ya eduba bia na se o ba wanimu a na wo kwa abefa so abeba ne ba bia obefa
I'm feeling it to say after you getting back to the studios and they say or some back to stages I hold on feeling it to say
ahoden foforo na ye de ba ababe room enti ye tototo niema niema gu akwan mu a egusu a ye toto a ye de ba be pia na ye hwede nyame e de ebedu
fa my highlight kakra bra wo shase ebere a ukọ back ukọje wa home kakra no na edi ne tesen na adwuma ne tesen sa bere no my highlight kakra
well frasi fi school time around 2012 your school mu na aja rap ya na yetimi benya anwum be kakra bia yede babontin a ti se odo asoma ho eni soko
okay
so far en fan se no ne enwum a me fan se popular
oh okay
e wabontin u kan odo asoma ho de a obi ni me danso abiam
oh you know
oh
too many is you adwane akwahia burochire
akwahia UK
oh me ni papa
oh okay
danso de me ni papa okay iti une no na eye den soko no
odo asoma no
odo asoma ai holy sanyum no wo ho oni danso abia manyum no
odo asoma ebede na wonko odo asoma ebede na wonko umute kura wo be ko odo asoma akosi akume your love is sweet me odo asoma take it to the altar put a ring for your finger odo asoma ebede na wonko you can cry oh baby tina me no my we mo na me you mempera no matter what again go talk na you my love you are my amaton papa oh baby my sugar banana you are my amaton papa you are my sugar banana so baby make I love you make I kiss you I wanna hug you baby let me feel you oh that's so ebede na wonko uchungu tempura una koda soma akosi akume your love the sweet me oda soma take it to the altar put the ring for your finger oda soma ebede na wonko uchungu tempura una koda wala beko
wose edini eden
Sarus
na adana onim enwum to sa na fei yente won kan
sene enkomoni phrase na ye ka no enye betesa okri nyame anim ni se ya kotos ne ade baby ho a obedru no honestly say kakra ni ho a honestly say kakra ni ho a obesa kofie
wow
nti enye boko say obeko studio obe record here
kwan fi ho
bebre any surprises bebre any surprises the Ghana phone here anymore. I'm going to be showing Ghanaians by working me the adwumaden a enye adwuma eda from kra nti Ghana for enhwehwe enwom papa eto akoma so a adwudwi nipa akoma ema nipa hoden ema nipa tena ase dwene ehwehwe na brabom ene ade bia ufa enwom so a unya etimi ema o ahotoso
ede na enwom papa
obia wo sene otie nenwom efa enwom a etimi ma impact enwom a utie a otena ase na odwene a ebetimi se enye bi a wabrabo mpo ena obetimi de asesa no a ebetimi ama o idea bi about bibi a ebeboa oba bi a owko ana enema bi a wo ye wabrabo ye wo enwom a yedidi asa ye wo enwom a yetena ase ye de dwene ye wo enwom a etufo ewa abrabom ene bibia nti ufa sa na ma we nyina bomu a wankasa otena ase a de enwom ne be ya ma no timi se enwom we de se ma nhia no a
o come back we o hwe new generation na aba na omumu hwan na nenwom ya nwom pa se na o kan nenwom make impact timi tie nenwom e de fa adwene enkwada ya abai
mintimi pick size honestly musicians say wa abontin ho no obia wo ne field ana se ne otonwom fa obia ne
yento
Show suye unimisu misu amenumo Iye kumikurama umatia Andamo tutofa eye Oma uyesu kuo Na ubia ne wuse Ze uyesu kuo Suku samprobe Ohima uyesu kuo Suku samprobe Oba udemu suku Suku samprobe Ohima uyesu Suku samprobe Mesha usuye makuma mutofe Mejiji usu Meso muye unimisu Minsu amenumo Niye kumikurama umatia Anamo tutufa eye Oba uyesu kuo Na ubia ne use Fize uyesu Suku samprobe Ohima uyesu Suku samprobe Oba udemu suku Suku samprobe Ohima uyesu Suku samprobe Chiremi ni amupe Ni amenye Faso makuma she Udemu bakupe Weye kurabeshe Befami yesu ye Semi wutumi tise surwa bofwa Ye oba Anka mebuwe wasunu kunu ni biya mauna Masumwo oba Tawumpie pie Besiesie Na mabo oka Na mede ube ye tourist attraction Yeah
ene eho akade a ebia obetimi de apia anwom no akodum pempen so a ebetimi arechi out to inipa dodo no a ombe so nwum ni mu a ombe vibrate towards nwum na wo ye na ama afi abe kese na wonso watimi aba abontin enti sana me hu no akade a ese minya
o production since we are solid pa when ya record
die omom record me nye ba kope
okay
ohwe odasoma no a me refini din kakra but we film no or tema me or tema no
okay
it's a black beat
okay
me kai ni year
ba we film
na the oye soko nso ye AB
okay
it's the AB or tema Committee 7 behind Page Hotel. Wow. AB into honest and I produce.
And you to aduma na eden de ma wa hu.
Oh, ɛba ne twerɛ ne deɛ a ɛndeɛ meka sɛ metwerɛ nsisiɛ sɛna meka no megu so a mesua adeɛ sɛne bɛyɛ a mɛtumi atwerɛ na matwerɛ no yie na mmom no sɛne meka no ho aka deɛ a wode bɛyɛ a wotie nnwom no ahu sɛ nnwom wei deɛ sɛne woka yɛ production ɛyɛ good wobɛnya production papa a wode bɛyɛ wobɛnya nnipa a ɔbɛte waseɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ wo sɛ aha deɛ woyɛ ne sei a aha deɛ woyɛ ne sei bɛyɛ yie no akadeɛ no ɛna ɛyɛ problem free mfiti aseɛ nyinaa
ɛna kyerɛ sɛ nyinaa kɔ sikasɛm
saa pɛpɛ na ɔnsua adeɛ sɛne bɛyɛ a na ɔyɛ nso a ɔnto ne bɔ ase na ɔnyɛ no baabi a yɛyɛ na wode pie abɔnten na obi tie a wobɛhu sɛ o production wei deɛ ɛyɛ ɛsɔ ani wobɛtumi de ato abɔnten ama nnipa atie
ɔka back wei yɛnhwɛ kwan ɛdeɛ na yɛnhwɛ kwan ɛnwom foforɔ ɛɛba
ɛnwom foforɔ ayɛ ready a
anaasɛ nneɛma te sɛn
ɛnwom foforɔ ayɛ ready a ɛnam kwan so a ɛnkyɛ biara ɛnto ankosie biara na wɔtwe di anim bɛyɛ mmienu yi deɛ na aba abɛduru ama obiara nsa tumi asom atie bi
but I must say sɛ woyɛ good
meda ase
wowɔ talent papa na mehyɛ wo bɔ ɛfi ɛna kɔ mɛgye wo number
meda ase medɔfo
mmoa bi a ɛwɔ sɛ nipa mfa mmoa ne nua nipa no kakra yɛn nso yɛbɛtumi ayɛ no yɛde bɛboa wo
meda ase
why holy ne nnwoma na ayɛ ready nyɛwɛn joy okay ɛno nso nkɔmmɔ bɛn na wodi ɛwɔ joy no mu
ɛno nso yɛ ɔdɔ nnwom saa
ɛno nso yɛ ɔdɔ nnwom
mpatwɔ
ba me deɛ so far ne deɛ ɔdɔ asoma wo ne deɛ asɛ bato deɛ yɛntie joy ne na yɛhwɛ sɛ bi a joy ne nso ɛbɛkye me a why nti yɛntie na
is it makane dona hiyo where from what
Welcome to Thursday morning.
you they give me vim baby girl I fall for you deep under the line I no go lie if you can
rapper baako Kumasi a friend SK.
Oh, okay.
SK. Ono na me feature no onyum we so.
Okay. Yeah. Sarus mwa ben na opese Ghana for mfamboa. Uye good pa o. Uye good pa. Mwa ben na pese mfamboa.
Quality production seminya studio ametime quality productions benya directives behind anyhow yɛbɛtumi apushi anwom no ɛde adum pɛmpɛn so a Ghana fo nyinaa ɛbɛhu sɛ anwom papa anaasɛ obi wɔ hɔ a ɔno nso ɔyɛ adeɛ a ɔhwehwɛ kwan ɛde bibi papa bi aba abɔnten
wankasa onwom ne nyinaa ne ɔno wani gye ho paa
mani gye ne nyinaa ho medɔfo
saa
ne nyinaa wani gye ne nyinaa ho
me koso a etie wonwom no amache se menya feeling ne se interview no kwai afedi amfantie wonwom nko a
mate
o ya de
me da se
o ya de holy ne nwom foforo hɔ na ma me de all the same no o de one money nwom bia kra na na de odo asoma no me favorite pa enti and one more time yenti odo asoma no na ye ba ye fa ye common emre na wie ye
Saruz is my name and my name is
Welcome to Thursday morning.
But we fell in love for the very first time. We're trying to do things we never do before.
Max FM. 89.7.
My name is Saruz, baby. But we fell in love for the very first time. We're trying to do things we never do before. You gave me the sweet part of a love, oh. I be the love of your life. You be the love of my life, oh. Hey, oh, that's somehow. I made it, I won't go. Would you take around with a call? That's somehow.
Live on Max 89.7 Max Morning Deal. Yene Sarus and Etchin Como and Anna Pay. Abranti Agin and Nansu Bruta. Na yese why nyumbi ediama yem papa kantanka wanyan baby ko
mpacho saa netie saa pepe
o busuani ana
ɔyɛ mesɔfo panyin.
Oh, okay.
Patwa.
Nti na ɛwɔ sɛ wonya nnwom mfa nya no kwan.
Oh, ɛnwom na maya ɛnyɛ baako. Bɛyɛ ɛnan ana bisa. Mayɛ ne dadaada.
Okay.
Mayɛ ne dadaada.
Na kyɛ sɛ ɔte ase nyina na
ɔte ase nyina na yɛyɛ performances before him ɛne ade nti. Ɛwɔ hɔ dada.
Yɛntie saa nnwom no. Yɛntie.
Africa, Kantanka, Africa, the soul of Africa, Africa, technological Africa, bringing together Africa, Africa.
Hwɛ na undi ho dwuma kakra. Nti ɛno nso no yɛwie bɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ na yɛhu sɛ na yɛbɛyɛ no afa. Mɛpɛ sɛ wodo number bɛto dwa. Ebia obi bɛpɛ sɛ ɔbɛboa record label obi bɛpɛ sɛ ɔbɛsign no a. But obi nka nkyerɛ sɛ wosɛ KK Fosu wahu.
Bajo Davi.
Okay. Yeah. For number no to dwa.
Number no yɛ 0240 97 2412. 0240 97 2412.
Anɔpa yi nkranhyɛ sɛ mɛ na wode ma yɛtiefo.
Ɛwɔ mu sɛ nsuo tɔ nso for more than. Nanso said in said then cry we still have to leave. Enti baby a wakodru bia baby a bia hoche amu wakodru bia baby a ore aho akodru bia ade bia hawo a ahye so acha unim kwan bia befa so bia nyabotre ne tenas ne kɔ wankasa mu se esukura na obesu a tenas ne su ne kɔ wankasa mu ne tenas ne dwene ne pekwan a obefa so a obetimi e dey solve problem bia about to bia wankasa obetimi solve from inside.
Social media handles
me wo TikTok Sarus official and me wo Facebook Sarus and me wo Instagram and so Sarus enti me and Twitter nso yɛ Sarus.
O spelling the same.
SARULES. Sarus.
Oh baby, why we fell in love for the first time.
Welcome to Thursday morning.
We trying to do things we never do before. Look. You gave me the sweet part of our love. Oh. I be the love of your life. You be the love of my life. Oh. Yeah, oh that's small. I made it. I won't go. You take around the corner, somehow. I could see it to me. Your love, they suit me. Oh, that's somehow. Make I take it to the altar. Put the ring for your finger. Oh, that's somehow. I mean, I won't go. Put you take around the corner. Oh, baby, Tina, me, no. I really want to make you member. No matter what I get, go talk, now you, my love. You are my papa, oh, baby. My sugar banana. You are my Hamadan Papa. You are my sugar banana. So baby, make I love you. Make I kiss you. I wanna hug you. Baby, let me feel you. Hey. Oh, that's so man. I bet in a won't put you more take around the corner. So man. I could see it for me. Your love, they sweet me. Oh, that's so man. Make I take it to the altar. Put the ring for your finger. Oh, that's so man. I bet in a won't put you back around the corner.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence deal kesi every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and one Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out here now. Absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
Waterguan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your ears. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae's
Welcome to Thursday morning. Max FM.
89.0.
Masisa, your friend out Tom morning and a bassy new song Masisa. Live on Max 89.7 Max Morning the website for yes mama kwa baby na yenti yenkomo yi emfi hotel na yene empenfo a omuda idabi we de ano den kakra mpamcho ya mama kwa ba
That's it.
mpamcho mo te sen
Nyame adom bibia boko.
si mashasi afi mensa nifa so wadaruma obo odin ana udibie kra na yemfa yiwe ni sei
Pacha from me Etuahene.
Etuahene.
Bacha.
Okay.
Bacho ye many minuanum ye free Ehalakasa.
Enna nka mebe gbo amedwane no. Mo ka ne sen?
Ehalakasa.
Ehalakasa.
Kasa.
Yeah. All right, Etuahene mpacha odi.
Ye fami afi.
Afi.
Me
Ona wini ye 2023. Oh, okay, Afi. Oh, okay. Me hu din ye so na wini 2023. 2024 no. Ni din wa ha. Onini ana.
Debbie Afi NSM wini Shishi Slam.
Oh, okay.
2024.
Oh, okay.
Any 2025.
Wow.
Yeah, 2025.
Wow.
Yeah.
2023,
2024. 2025.
I fear more kwaba. Boss on patch odi.
You're from Nati.
Nati. Oh, okay. Yo. I'm saying for an appel. Okay.
Yes, I mean some na but yeah the enyom ne bibia efa kasa ho and yeah the boom.
Okay.
The show but Porto Casa we no performance poetry.
Okay.
And slam poetry. Into no a competition every year. Yeah.
Okay.
Sene ye be yi the obe winning obesi Ghana name wo amano ne competitions bi a be.
Wow.
Na sisi a ka say 2025 world champion Ghana ni.
Okay.
Okofa wo Mexico. Inti afia ye besi mu no ye be ye wo South Africa. Inti ye be pedie obesi na nimu.
Obesi Ghana na
obesi Ghana ni South Africa. Inti ehun ntina ye bai.
Okay. Yes, e ba so 1st November.
Yes, e ba so Saturday.
Saturday we are.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Teachers hall.
Yes, not hostel.
Oh, okay.
Not hostel.
All right. Ye ni ho nkomo e be kosan.
Mami nuano mo nkasa bi na.
Okay. Afi yenti o.
Send ye be kone die. Ebe brutal. Ebe enije wo mu be hia ade ebi wasema wentumi anka na wasema wentumi nka no. Obi be ka ma. Oni obi be related to ne obeka ebe enije. Yes, emu be hia nkasa. Enti no ya emu be hia nkasa. Enti no yes nkofo ebeba.
Oh, okay. Not wow.
And Islam, so they are very exciting. So they are very exciting. And a lot of people don't know about Islam poetry, but say, I know that is a vehicle. If you're a poet out there, no, you have to aspire to be a slam poet. Now, any poet be a now or to me Islam, because Islam no a different feel, different feel. And so you just come on
Islam no yeah yenim na eden.
Islam no so poetry, a poetry now, but we know a competitive form poetry, no. Into this time, instead of say, it's trying to perform here, I feel performing in Ikono.
Okay.
Say, it's trying to perform here. You have judges who will score him. We have scorecards which will be raised, and you will score him based on even the cheers and the reception from the audience. The same with Afi. Then at the end of the day, we collate the results or the marks, and then we come up with who gets to represent Ghana.
Into my weird that any friend will be able to me be register na mo de maka ho.
You see our finals and then
into what we do is we have preliminary events or preliminary slams to select those who get qualified. And we do our best. We go across the country, or we invite, since we anchor across the regions now, we invite poets from all the regions to come battle it out. Then we get to select the final 10 or the number that we feel could represent at the final. Normally it's 10, but this year we had a lot of entries. We had about over 30. We had to select about 16 to be in the final. So
I never say voting and performance.
A performance. Won't say before I will be do also our time. The OBE be no for us to be a fair no. You drop it highest no, near drop it lowest, and near you the nina boom. But a competition rules so on. Inti mama minyu ade afa rules ni mukaka me kabako no de afa
inti kaudi na tie ntwaso
inti owo slam no owo 3 minutes ene na man yes ron ko no owo 3 minutes say de was say okay bia no o de sa 3 minutes no eka owo grace minutes of 5 between 5 to 10 seconds say obro so a ye bete mark back we fi so
wow
all right, okay. So it was on say piece be our performing. It has to be originally written by you. Say piece I want to what say what show. Any piece because they say on your AI. Yeah, will be so no we say. Either say they'll just if you give the topic to AI, he'll just give you something. You want a poetry or spoken word performance, but we are trying to be authentic as authentic as possible. Even as we walk through this age of artificial intelligence, no, it has to be something original, and that's what we appreciate more. We are not looking for the ultimate camera for an broadcast and debi. See, say notice now can be a few pieces been our for every YouTube now. That come on, we've seen that thing happen before. So and we know most of the pieces also. And see, somebody can just it could be an audience could just raise in say piece with Matilda. Now your man. How do you call it?
To protest, yes.
Okay, line way every so and so.
So at the end, World Poetry Slam, no, it also fifth.
Wow.
Yes. So
we are seeing now.
Yes.
Hey, and this one any part. We see many more. Hey. Wow. Enti no sa na futu be na wo de ma obi a o tie yen ne. Edia na wo ka dia fa dwumadi we ho
the mechanic says bibia wo ye bia no bon ho modin na ye ni ye because se wan ye ni ye a eso mfa so me start ye no na natika be di ho adanse na many enhye da enye din wo but with constant practice no I was able to win. I was able to travel out of the country. I've been able to get so many opportunities with it. And into no the mechanism say oh yeah now I ye ni because opportunities say wo no de e do so
na eya time na mubie forms na ya yente ho asem ya na ye pese ye ne mo ye adwuma no time na mubie forms na ya yente
mescape time na ye bie forms na ma focus on mo amo pese mo ni ye adwuma no enti no sisia no eni na ya ba no ye pese ye ne mo enya sa anyonkofa no ye we first na ye started campaign for March Shishi Slam and ye embanko a enti no se na ya ba ha no ye beba na ye ne mo abedi nkita ho na mo so mama ye mre a ebeboa mo bu so metima aboa ye enti ne ye beba but after she saying the first I was say yenya emboa kakra nti enke was say etimeje more than that but ye the bibi kakra 100 cedis enye fabe support
enye ma fe ni
o the fabe support e enye gate fee now 100 cedis and as you say gate fee but wow ba no fa say o ba be support anwensem say na o be share nkran ni yetimi aye more
And over the years, no, we've had challenges because I say Helakasa no is self-funded. Yana yeboba yon because you need funding. But so we qualify to represent Ghana. She say we come Mexico. She playing even quite to go crash plane ticket.
Ni na musika.
Yeah, musika.
Mo ni sponsors be on board. Wow. When mo fa mo number ni to Ghana.
Because of course.
Enye is
I know we are current world champions. And yes, we came against all the big shots. Near Odi Eterno of the US. He was a former world champion.
Wow.
So Ghana was first, Kenya was second, and US came third. And that is these are world standard poets.
Oh, and so when the papa mom traveling agencies.
Yeah, and Kebe fine pa. And Akwenya so of course. Akwenya wo ho a enko ombe boya.
If you might be number so bonamba no and then the
Mbacho yeah say o mumu na pese o to be eche ya number the ever ko 059 89
okay, maybe the American say be ana we a poet and I would say and now who baby and anua or neneje anwinsem ho and you want to be a part of Helakasa and you want to be like someone like Afi. We also do what we call slam impulse where we train poets because says in Africa and Obayano she's been groomed, she's gone through processes. Afi now and I know she was not the same a few years ago and we are very proud of her. Say to me a reason is we are a community, we've been around for over 13 years. No, almost all the poets you know in Ghana have passed through Helakasa. Someone should prove me wrong. It's a false statement. Almost all of them you know them now. So we've been really working hard. So feel free to get in touch with us.
Yo,
we the mestre Ghana for nyina Helakasa yemfa says see ye na ye som anwinsem se na be ya bibie kwan ma obia na me koma awofo bia anwinsem ya ade a eni se ye toto na se because anwinsem etimi boama yetimi esinioma pi akwan enye obia na obetimi even anyontofo kra no ohwa foundation of music started with poetry. And it's a wote anwinsem ase a oye student kra na o struggle with wadisua because we go through the phase, you know, it helps you even to memorize because piece, you know, no memorize and no perform. It even enhances your academic life. Into the Mayan Fano, Mayan Totonas, baby, I be say, yeah, I mean, same.
The girl that he wished to a boy. I know I would have been his bundle of joy, but how is that my fault for being a girl? And who do I blame? The universe? His sperm's on my mother's eggs, I told him. Having girls is not a bad thing, Dad. He said, no. You should have been a boy. The one to carry on after I am gone, carry my name, not the shame of not being able to bear a male child, because that's the first child of my father. Having girls means it ends here for me. And the stories of him telling my mommy I am a boy while I was still forming in her tummy made God laugh, I guess. But that was what drew the line for me. But that was what drew the line for me. I started wearing shirts and shorts more often, walking and playing with boys so I wouldn't soften, changed bulbs, climbed ladders like no other to fix things on the roof, slit the throats of fowls.
That's it. Open your chain with ya, Edamida, my Yeshia, Yada Seno Breno, James, Hannah, Max Money, do you make AC?